At the Nellis Group, we're always looking for the next innovation. What does it look like to get maximum exposure for your home? We've progressed into not only virtual open houses, rather bringing in talented musicians to do a musical open house, where we provide a live concert. It's fun. We get to employ local artists that don't have an audience right now and pair it up with your property to get the most amount of people looking at your home. It's a fun blend of the musical arts and the science of selling your home. We know that buyers buy based on emotion and justify with logic and data. Just like when you would bake homemade cookies and have that smell going through the home, buyers today can't smell the home, but they can see it and they can hear what's going on. So we bring that music in to usher them into writing an offer on your home. Join us as we conduct a musical open house at your property. Thank you again for allowing the Nellis Group to help you market and sell your home. We're looking forward to this innovation bringing you the maximum amount of exposure online.